Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to create a new pattern for the Christmas ornaments. This mini wreath is very simple. All we need to do here is make a slip stitch, single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet together. Our materials include 3 colors of yarn, size 4 or medium, with a hoop size of 2 inches in diameter and a hook size of F or 3.75 millimeter. Also included are a mini bell, 1 piece of mini ribbon, and 2 pieces of beads and yarn needle. If you are ready, let's get started. Now, let's grab our hook, ring, and first color of yarn. First, let's make a slip knot. Followed by 32 single crochet stitches around the ring. Once you are done your 32 single crochet stitches right here, cut the yarn and secure using the yarn needle. On the first row, I use the second color of yarn, then make a slip knot. Then we can insert the hook in any chains and make 3 double crochet together. This is the first double crochet that we have. Then the second one, and the third one. Make sure you have 4 loops on your hook. Then yarn over, chain 1, skip 1 chain, and make 3 double crochet stitches together in the next chain. Now we have 1, 2, and 3. yarn over together and chain 1. Again, skip 1 chain and 3 double crochet together on the next chain. Now we have 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over all those 4 loops together and chain 1. Now we will repeat this pattern until we complete the first row. Skip 1, 3 double crochet together until we done the first row. Now I need to complete the last set right here with a 3 double crochet stitches together. Now we have 2 and 3. Yarn over, chain 1, then insert your hook on the first pop stitch that we have here and make a slip stitch. Now continue making a chain to use as a hanging chain. I work here as 25 chains, then return to the first chain and make a slip stitch, then cut the yarn and secure at the back. The third color of yarn and make a slip knot. Now we are going to work in between these spaces right here. Now make a chain followed by half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and slip stitch all in the same space. Now make a slip stitch again on the next space. Then work a half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and slip stitch all in the same space. Again on the next space, make a slip stitch, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and a slip stitch all in the same space. Now repeat the steps on the next space. Make a slip stitch, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and slip stitch. So we will continue this to complete the second row. Now let's finish the set, then cut it and secure it in place. Lastly, grab the ribbon and insert it between your hanging chain, twisting it to ensure it's secure. Then cut the excess wire and your project is complete. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Happy crochet everyone. See you in my next video. Bye.